politics of the South, especially the politics of Tamil Nadu, has largely been opposed to the idea of a domination by the Hindi speaking UP walas, Bihar walas, and your party is largely seen as a big champion of the Hindi language. आप हिंदी बोलते हैं, बड़े गर्व से बोलते हैं. Do you see this as a clash between what the Tamil people aspire for, their own identity, their own language, vis-a-vis the idea that the RSS and the BJP would like to foist on Tamil Nadu this idea of one India which speaks one language and is homogeneous in its approach to politics and its view of the world?
Rahulji, here I would like to say that a lot of misconception has been created in past just after independence. A lot has been said about RSS, lot has been said about the Bharatiya Jansangh and later about Bharatiya Janata Party, which is not it is not the correct thing. The reality is that Bharatiya Janata Party believes in federalism, Bharatiya Janata Party believes in nationalism, but Bharatiya Janata Party believes in regional aspirations, and it is the Prime Minister Modi ji who has taken the literature of Tamil Nadu, the saints of Tamil Nadu, and the culture of Tamil Nadu not only on international, not only on national forum, but on international forum. So the regional identity has to be protected, the regional language has to be protected. And if you see in this new education policy, the national education policy which came last year, what we have said, that the medium of instructions till 8th class will be regional. So we consider that the regional language, regional culture has to be taken into consideration. And our philosophy has been, Rahulji, that think globally, act locally. So when we act locally, it is Bharatiya Janata Party which has taken out an issue like Vetri Vel, and it is atheists like DMK and Stalin who had objected to it. So we are the organization, we are the political party who support the regional aspirations, and there should be an assimilation between the national, federal structure and the regional aspirations. I'll just try to explain you, Rahulji. For first 20 years after independence, Congress ruled Tamil Nadu. And what happened? That the regional aspirations were ignored, and it was not only ignored, the regional aspirations were suppressed. And what happened? That there was an upsurge and the regional party came into existence. First DMK and later on there was a split, AIDMK and DMK came into existence. But Bharatiya Janata Party believes that we will, who protected Jallikattu? It was Prime Minister Modi who has taken care. About Vetri Vel I have told you. So we certainly are the political party where we want to protect the culture, the language, the sentiments of the local regional people, their aspirations, and try to assimilate on the national front. So we are not one language party and domination of North or domination of Hindi speaking. No, we respect, and we respect in letter and spirit, Rahulji. It's not just a lip service which Congress has been doing for so many years. We believe in it, and that is why at least I have got confidence in me, and my party has the confidence that under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, we will make through Tamil Nadu also and in southern states.